I'm sure you've heard the news. Setting up email in GoHighLevel can boost your branding and deliverability. Let's get you set up. Today we're diving into how to set up email in GoHighLevel. First up, let's talk LC email. GoHighLevel's built-in option. Head to Settings, then Email Services. Click on Dedicated Domain and IP, then Add Domain. Use a subdomain like mail.yourdomain.com. GoHighLevel gives you some DNS records. Add these to your domain's DNS settings. Verify your domain, grab your SSL certificate, and boom, you're ready to roll. Prefer using Gmail, Outlook, or another SMTP provider? No problem. Head to Settings, then SMTP and Mailgun Services. Click Add Service and pick your provider. Enter your SMTP credentials, save it, and you're good to go. Remember, warming up your email domain and managing your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records is key for top-notch deliverability. So there you have it. Easy, right? Now go out there and rock your email campaigns.